We are here at Lucid Global.
STEMsmart, it's where gray matter shows its true colors.
Nominations are now open, and so is Lucid Global.
They say a picture speaks 1,000 words.
Well, how about a living organ on an iPad?
How many words would that be worth?
Let's go!
The challenge is to enhance communications between doctors, patients, students, and researchers. In other words, to translate complex information into a simple visual medium that can be understood by all.
So, we bring together artists, programmers, and scientists, because in medicine and in many other industries, people learn by seeing and doing. Plus,
video games, science, and design to promote understanding by combining computer graphics and intuitive interaction. Plus,
innovative mobile technology and 3D visualization to immerse users in complex subject matter so that nothing is lost in translation. Plus,
creativity and technology to bring our living medical environments to mobile devices and more.
Equals the 3D visualization of information leading to meaningful understanding in medicine or any other field where communication is a challenge. The Lucid Immersive Experience is changing the way we communicate.
Wow, now that's STEMsmart.
When it brains the core,
Will all these pluses equal the next big thing?
you do the math.